Hey guys, what's going on? We're back at the big South Florida job, part 3. We're removing a wall, all of it, so enjoy the ride.
Alright, so basically we marked the area. We're going to be cutting each wall, section of the wall, and then it's easier for us to put in the trash bags. That's why it's sectioned out like this. Alright, so we got all the drywall off, as you can see. Now we're going to bag everything up, wrap it up, and haul it off.
Alrighty, so we got all the drywall down, bagged up. We're going to wrap it up, get it out of here, haul it off. Take lunch, then we're gonna get back here. We're gonna clean up the area. We want it to be in pristine condition.
Done for the first half of the day. We're coming back to do rough clean, get everything ready for next chapter.
What chapter though?
Chapter 4.
Am I doing the drive off?
Yeah, do the drive off.